I want you, I want you, I want you. I want you to want me too. I know that I signed up for this casually, but I fell for your tricks and I'm the casualty. Can we just reset, restart, and the replay? Take me back to when all you wanted was the love on me every day. Yeah, I like you, I like you, I like you. Was I won't ever hear from you. Wishing I could turn back the hands of time to when I feel your hands on me and your lips on mine. I know that was too much the last time you saw me, and I don't blame you for getting over everything so easy, but I just can't seem to figure you out. You goddamn mystery. Good God, how you kiss me. Didn't think it'd be distress galore. Thought I just wanted you there, with your hands in my hair, but I craved more. You just wanted rock and roll, no heart and soul, and I knew that from the beginning. So why don't I feel like I'm winning? Ladies and gentlemen of the joke, the punchline they got too old. It's killing me to see you gone, cause I never told you I like you, I like you, I like you. Sorry I never meant to, but who we kidding, it wasn't like I had to say. When look at you and I won't have it any other way. I want you, I want you, I want you. I want you to want me too. I know that I signed up for this casually, but I fell for your tricks and I'm the casualty. Can we just reset, restart, and the replay? Take me back to when all you wanted was the love on me every day.
Dance is something that's like supposed to be fun, and it was made to be fun. So I think if you're just starting out, it's super cool that you got into this art. Just always keep in mind that it's fun, that it's supposed to be fun. Also, growing and becoming a quote-unquote better dancer, it takes time. Yeah, it takes effort and everything like that. But don't feel like you're pressured or you have to rush to be better, to grow, or anything like that. Yeah. Growth takes time, and everyone's on their own clock, everyone's on their own time. You are on yours, your own individual personal clock. Never compare that to anyone else's clock, never compare yourself to others. As soon as you compare yourself to others, that's when everything goes downhill. Understand that like it's meant to be fun, but at the same time, if you just have fun with it, you'll grow automatically. Definitely, and that's what I would definitely give to beginner dancers, definitely starting out.
stress stress gone long, but I just wanted you there. Put your hands in my head, but I take more. Rock and roll, my heart and soul. I know. Hey! That was too much time. Tell me so. Hey, let's go! I don't blame you for getting all that. It's so easy. Hey! Thinking you want you got that mystery. I can see. Didn't think you'd be distressed alone, but I just wanted you there. Stress gone on, I just wanted you to